Welcome to the bookkeeping course. Now we will see the lesson 1, which is what is bookkeeping, right? So as you can see on the screen, we'll start with what is bookkeeping. So to understand that, first we need to understand what is the rules of bookkeeper, right? So definitely वैसे अगर देखा जाए तो जो रूल्स है बुक कीपर के, राइट, दैट्स अ मल्टीटास्किंग मीन्स जो एक बुक कीपर होता है ही हैज़ टू बी मल्टीटास्क इन एवरी वर्क्स, राइट. बट if you can see that what is the main process and the responsibility of accountant or bookkeeper is that is the process of tracking and recording the financial transactions of business. Okay ना, जो भी business के transactions हैं related to the expenses, related to the incomes, related to the assets, है ना, इन सबको प्रॉपर तरीके से ट्रैक करना इज द मेन रोल ऑफ accountants or the bookkeepers, right? So you will definitely get the full clarity about this in the below video.
What is bookkeeping? In the simplest terms, bookkeeping is the process of tracking and recording the financial transactions of a business. A bookkeeper will do everything from reconciling bank accounts to working with tax preparers and everything in between. Because bookkeepers are consistently working with sensitive information, upholding ethical standards is a key component to bookkeeping. As a bookkeeper, you must show honesty, objectivity, confidentiality, and professionalism in all that you do. As you embark on your journey to become a bookkeeper, having a clear understanding of your role and how to execute it ethically will help you earn the trust of your clients and the respect of the bookkeeping community.
Okay, so we will move to the next topic. Let me okay, so now to move further, we will also see some bookkeeping glossaries, right? So step by step we will see that what is the meaning of this and how that can be helpful for your business, right? Okay, so here is a bookkeeper glossary. We will go one by one. So here you can see the first is अकाउंट्स रिकन्सिलेशन. ठीक है, तो अकाउंट्स रिकन्सिलेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? अकाउंट्स रिकन्सिलेशन दैट मीन्स टू कंपेयर द टू सेट्स ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स एट द एंड ऑफ पर्टिकुलर अकाउंटिंग पीरियड. ओके, एंड वेरीफाई दैट balances are correct or not. ठीक है, so this is the simple accounts reconciliation where you need to see that if both the books are matching or not, right? Then the next one is accountant. Okay, the accountant, who is the accountant? Accountant is a person who track of business transactions, right, and financial records to issue the financial statements and determine how business is doing on a financial level, right? Next one is accounts payable. Accounts payable, that means the money a business owns to others for goods or services. Okay, then accounts payable reconciliation, that means to compare the statement or invoices provided by the vendor to the accounts payable in the books. Okay, verify there are no discrepancy in the amount vendor is charging for the goods or services received and the amount recorded in the books मैच द अमाउंट चार्ज बाय द वेंडर. ओके, तो जो वेंडर ने जो चार्ज करा है उसे वो प्रॉपर तरीके से पीओ के साथ मैच हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, ये सारी चीज़ें जो है हमें अकाउंट्स पेबल रिकॉन्सिलिएशंस में देखनी होती हैं. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल. व्हाट द अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल्स मीन्स? That means the money that is owed to a business for providing a goods or services, right? Next, this is very important, that what is the accounts receivable aging report. अब अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल एजिंग रिपोर्ट का मतलब होता है कि दिस इज़ द पीरियोडिक रिपोर्ट, ओके, जो दैट्स कैटेगराइज द बिजनेस अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल्स अकाउंटिंग टू द लेंथ ऑफ टाइम ऑफ इनवॉइस. फॉर एग्जांपल कि अगर कोई इनवॉइस अगर कोई इनवॉइस आपका 30 दिन से पेंडिंग है, 45 डेज से पेंडिंग है, 60 डेज से पेंडिंग है, ओके, मोर देन 90 डेज से पेंडिंग है. सो दिस वे यू कैन फोकस मेनली कि भाई अगर आपका कोई इनवॉइस इज मोर देन 120 डेज अगर आपका आउटस्टैंडिंग है, तो यू विल डेफिनेटली फोकस ऑन दैट ओनली, राइट. दैट इज़ अ मोर प्रायोरिटी टू गेट द फंड्स और टू गेट द अमाउंट फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल एजिंग रिपोर्ट. The next one is accounts receivables doubtful. Accounts receivable doubtful, that means कि हमें पता है कि जो पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट है, जो आपका कस्टमर है ना, वो आपको पेमेंट नहीं दे रहा है. द रीज़न कैन बी एनीथिंग. दैट मीन्स ही डोंट लाइक्स योर सर्विसेज, राइट ना, और ही इज़ नॉट विलिंग टू पे ड्यू टू सम एनी रीजन that can also be possible. So if you think that this is the account, this is the doubtful account, then you will have to pass the journal entry for that in your books, right, which is called the bad debts entry. We will see all these things in the later chapter. Currently we are just going through the glossaries, okay. Then accounts receivable reconciliation, what it does mean, what does it means? It means that they compare the outstanding customers invoices, जो भी customers के invoices है वो, and to balances to the accounts receivable as entered in the general ledger. उसका amounts verify करना, उसमें जो errors है that needs to find out, okay. These are the things. Then accrual, what the accrual means, that entry to record a future revenue, जो आगे की जो revenues है वो expenses जो है वो उसे current period में बुक करना. For example कि if you know that you have completed the particular services on the 28th of February, okay, then you in the books of account you will mention that the consultancy receipts, you will debit the customers and you will mention the consultancy receipts, unbilled consultancy receipts, right. So this type of this way you can do the accruals and accrual accounting, okay. Then accumulated depreciation, that means the total amount of depreciation expenses that has been allocated for assets since the asset was put into use. Then the adjusted trial balance, this is the very important thing. What is the adjusted trial balance? The listing of ending balances in all accounts after adjusting entries have been prepared. Now what is the adjusting entries? Creating new entries to record depreciations and accrual adjustments. These are provided to the bookkeepers by CPA or accountant. मतलब जो भी आपको for example depreciations की entry करनी है, कोई provisions की entry करनी है, right, all these things are known as the adjustment entries, right. Then amortization, what is the amount of amortization? Amortization, that means the structural process of paying both the principals and interest over a period of time. Then what is the average cost method? Average cost method is the inventory value is based on the average cost of all material purchased during the recording period, okay. So thank you.